I think my Uber's here. Wait a minute. You're not Uber.
Yeah.
Whatever. Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Great to see y'all. Unfortunately, my Uber didn't arrive, but something better did.
How's it going, guys?
What's up? This is Thomas. He runs an awesome page on Instagram. What's it called?
Adrenaline Boost Official.
Adrenaline Boost Official. Brand new SRT wide body Hellcat. Imagine that. And the color's what? Octane red, right?
Octane red, yeah.
Look at this thing. Oh my God. Look at that wide ass. Dear God. Get me back here. Oh, we got all the fun pages set up, don't we?
Yeah, that's a new feature, the steering.
No way. Oh, that's right, because they did the electronic steering rack for the big tires, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so sick.
Yeah, that thing handles way better than the old Hellcat I had.
Really?
Yeah, it's not as like, it doesn't float as much.
So you're even tempted to say you'll take it into the canyons?
I'll take it in the canyons. To rip apart some BMWs and stuff.
Oh, calling out SM owners. Oh boy. Wow, no kidding. So what kind of options can you spec these ones out with versus like the normal Hellcats?
I mean, like what kind of options were you thinking? Like with pulleys and stuff?
Well, no, not power mods. I mean, like from the factory, like what can you get on this car that would be different from the normal Hellcat?
I mean, definitely the 305s all the way around, the electronic steering, and the other stuff that I really feel is just suspension, man.
Really?
Like it's like if we put the suspension in track mode, it's like for the 405 example, it's just bouncy, man. You're just like, oh. The other one was just more like you were kind of just floating up and down, but this feels more like a track car to me. It has a lot more tension in it. I wouldn't mind getting this Subaru.
The kitty wants some food. Look at that. Deal.
Yeah, excellent.
That's a dope car. So, as of now, you've got intake, question mark?
Yeah, just the AFE intake.
AFE.
It's not stage 2, so it allows the blower to make some noise for sure.
Did you do the popular mid-muffler delete yet?
Nah, I'm actually even, if I'm gonna do anything, it's gonna do Cook's headers and shit all the way through.
Like whole exhaust?
Yeah, I would do Cook's all the way, probably.
Their whole system, wow.
Yeah, I don't know, man, the resonator delete's cool, but it's, everybody does that. It's a cheap mod, you know?
Yeah, of course. Wow,
Actually,
what a shame.
I'm not mad at the stock exhaust, I gotta admit, though. It sounds pretty cool, man. It has a lower tone to it. You know, when you do the res delete, it's like high pitch and a lot of mid-range, so I think this is gonna be, sounds cool.
Yeah, they could always have Goon Garage do an exhaust for the Hellcat. What do you think? Drop a comment. Should we build an exhaust? Should he go full Cooks? Question mark. Look at our previous video on the convertible M3s. I think personally we did a pretty good job. I'd love to hear from the Hellcat owner what he thinks about BMW exhaust. I gotta show him that. We gotta catch his reaction later if he hasn't seen it already. Do you want to hear the kitty?
Want to hear the kitty cat?
Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Oh my God. That's fucking nuts.
That was easing into it too. I didn't want to spin too much.
Dude, holy crap. Guys, you get this car. Dodge, honestly, please watch this so you can hear me say this to you directly. Look at me in the eye. Dodge, What in the hell? You gave us all of this madness, creature comforts. I mean, I got AC on my nuts. So does he, running right now with 700 plus horsepower on tap, like that, on 91 pump gas. Oh my God.
Oh wait, this takes 91?
Have you been putting 87?
I'm just kidding.
It just sounds so pissed off. Dear God. Dear God.
Dude, yeah, that 3,500, 4,000 RPM launch.
It's nasty every time.
That torque is crazy. I love the way that looks a lot more than...
Holy crap, dude, this thing's gorgeous. Chip, bro.
Paper straws. That's some bougie shit.
We're on Malibu. Where's mine? Why'd yours come out first?
Because I'm special. I drive a Hellcat.
I forgot, us M owners are douches.
You said it.
All right, let's get some seating outside. What a beautiful day, man. Fuck. There you go. Is there any seating? Yo, Thomas, what are you doing, man?
I got my car cover back here. Doing oil, man.
What do you mean you gotta do your oil? It's a new car.
Oh, you know Hellcats burn oil like crazy, right?
I wouldn't know, I'm not a Hellcat owner. I drive M.
Yeah, no, I have to top it up at least. If I'm pushing it, I gotta top it up like weekly. Oh my God.
So this is what, oh, there we go. AFE power, baby.
Yeah, man, throw them on there.
AFE so far, I gotta say, I'm liking it. And crazy to say, my other friend, our friend actually, he has a normal 2016 Hellcat, right? Black. Shahab?
Shahab, yes.
Yeah. It's lowered, it's got the B Woody intake, and that thing, when I first heard it, I thought it was nuts. This, whole different ball game. Freaking insane.
You can just hit a throttle, man, every time too.
Every time. No one likes a soggy straw.
Fuck, paper straws, man. Good idea. That's genius. How am I supposed to drink this? Fucking drinking paper now.
Did he just
look at that, bro? Looks pretty solid, yeah?
Wow. It does feel planted. I know what we need next. You know what we need?
What's that?
Smoke?
A burnout? Oh man. So he offered, Goon Garage is offering to buy me tires.
Yeah, actually I'm representative of Nitto.
And since it's 305s all the way around now, you know, it's a decent price.
It's celebratory for the new car. You guys gotta keep your eyes out. We're gonna drop links in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to our channel, Goon Garage. Also give my boy Thomas a follow at Adrenaline Boost Official on Instagram. Keep an eye out for his YouTube channel. If you haven't done so already, if you liked the video, hit the like button, drop a comment. We'd love to hear from you. We wanna hear all your opinions about it, good or bad. You know, we're all up for hearing what everyone has to say about the cars, and enjoy some sound clips on a dump at the end. But until next time, keep being goons. I'll see you on the next one.